Conversation at restaurant. I really like this restaurant. Yeah, but why? Because its ambience is good. Also, it's so comfortable and quiet. I think we should order something now. Excuse me, can I have menu? Yes, sir, here you go. What is the most popular here? Our mushroom smash is quite a pick. I'll go with ice americano. One mushroom smash and one ice americano, please. How much will it take? It will only take 15 minutes, ma'am. Have you heard about the new film? No, what is it about? It's a horror movie. What? Horror? That's not my cup of tea. Hold on a minute. Are you scared of horror movies? Yeah, I mean, who likes scary movies? Who doesn't? Everybody likes it. You're gonna watch it with me. Hell no, spare me from that, please. Your food is ready to be served, sir. God, it looks so tempting. Totally agreed. Will you share your burger with me? I've already knew that. Knew what? That you would ask me that. Sure, you can have half of it. Oh, sweet of you, how much you know about me. Now let's eat it before it gets cold. It's so amazing and fresh. Yeah, totally worth it. Do you want to order one more? No, half would be enough for me. What's your next plan? I'm looking for a job. I've applied at various places. Now waiting for their email. What about you? I'm quite satisfied with my current job. They're paying me higher than any of other companies. Now that I have all the money, I'm thinking of a partner to share it with. Wait, what? How can be a person like you still be single? How can not be? I mean, you are a person any girl can dream of. No buttering, please. But I'm not, trust me. I think we should focus on food. Look at you, you're blushing.